Today, we're going to be talking about the diversity of mollusks. Mollusks are a group of organisms characterized by a soft, unsegmented body often protected by a shell. Mollusks are a diverse group of organisms, making up the phylum Mollusca, which includes about 76,000 known extant species. The phylum Mollusca consists of 7 extant classes. Let's talk about each one of them separately. Firstly, gastropods. Gastropods are a class of mollusks which includes snails and slugs. It is the class of mollusks with the greatest number of known species, including about 65,000 known species. Some types of gastropods have large external shells. These are commonly known as snails. Others have a shell that is too small for them to fully contract into it. These are known as semi-slugs. And some types of slugs have no visible shell at all. Some examples of extreme gastropods include the cone snail, which can shoot venomous harpoons, and the scalyfoot snail, which is a deep-sea snail that lives in hydrothermal vents, and its shell consists of iron sulfide, and the leaf sheep, which is a slug that grazes on algae and sucks up its chloroplasts, and uses these chloroplasts to perform photosynthesis. Next, cephalopods. Cephalopods are a group of mollusks that includes octopuses and squids. Cephalopods are characterized by having a prominent head with arms attached to it. Other examples of cephalopods include cuttlefish and nautiluses, which are shelled cephalopods. Most cephalopods have three hearts, one central heart to pump blood through their body, and two branchial hearts to pump blood through their gills. Unlike other mollusks, cephalopods are highly intelligent, which is because of their large brain-to-body size ratio. The giant squid and the colossal squid are the largest known extant mollusks. Next, bivalves. Bivalves are a class of aquatic mollusks characterized by having a soft, compressed body enclosed by a shell. Some examples of bivalves include clams, mussels, oysters, and scallops. Some bivalves, such as scallops, can swim by opening up to take in water and then rapidly closing to squirt it out. The largest bivalve is the giant clam, which can weigh up to 200 kilograms. Next, let's talk about a group of mollusks known as aplacophorans. Aplacophorans are characterized by their worm-like appearance. They also have no eyes. Aplacophorans are extremely small. Most of them don't exceed 5 centimeters. Aplacophorans don't have a shell. However, they have needle-like structures known as spicules embedded in their skin. Next, scaphopods. Scaphopods, which are commonly known as tusk shells or tooth shells, are a class of marine mollusks that are protected by a tusk-like shell. Tusk shells don't have gills. They take in oxygen directly through their body. Some tusk shells bury themselves in the sediment to avoid predators. Next, let's talk about polyplacophorans. Polyplacophorans, which are also known as chitons, are a class of marine mollusks which are characterized by having a shell composed of 8 separate plates. And finally, monoplacophorans. Monoplacophorans are a class of mollusks that inhabits deep-sea environments. They are characterized by having a cap-like shell with one single plate. And that's the end of the video. Bye. See you next time.